All right, tell me what springs to your mind here. Other than, structural integrity and the ability to handle a gust of wind, I thought of a few things. Like, how will the window and door frames fit? How will that stay watertight? What about keeping the house cool or warm or keeping sound out? And I'd ask about inspections, but apparently those aren't required in most areas in Texas. So tell me, what else springs to your mind?